Greetings, productive programmers. So what is Phoenix LiveView and how does it differ from traditional web applications? Well, Phoenix LiveView is an alternative to traditional web applications that use the MVC model or the model view controller model. And so in traditional model view controllers, the user makes a request to the controller, and the controller typically delegates between the model and the view to interact with the database and then serve a view for the user. And in traditional web applications, typically the client or the user is always the one making the request to the server first, to the website, and then the website responds. But with Phoenix LiveView, we actually establish two-way communication via a WebSocket. And so the client can send communication to the server or Phoenix LiveView, and Phoenix LiveView can also send communication to the client in a two-way communication. So it's different than older or traditional styles of web application development in that you create a two-way communication between the user and Phoenix LiveView. And that allows us to actually serve with Phoenix LiveView HTML over the two-way communication, and also allows us to cut out JavaScript. So we can actually build applications that have zero JavaScript. You could still use JavaScript, but you just emphasize in the power that you can, and we, as we will see, we will build some applications, actually quite a few applications. If you're taking the full version of this course and you get through all of the projects, you'll see that there are several applications you can build that use zero JavaScript, which is pretty cool. And so yeah, that's Phoenix LiveView in a nutshell and what makes it awesome. And so with that said, let's go ahead and jump into installing and setting up our application so we can get cranking and writing some Phoenix LiveView applications.